Is Peak not launching, crashing on startup, or freezing right after you hit play? This guide will walk you through the most common fixes to get you back in the game. If this video helps you solve the problem, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need it. First, try verifying the integrity of your game files through Steam. You can do this by right-clicking on Peak in your library, selecting Properties, going to the Installed Files tab, and clicking Verify Integrity of Game Files. If that doesn't work, navigate to the game's local files by selecting Manage and then Browse Local Files. Find the peak.exe file, right-click it, go to Properties, and under the Compatibility tab, check both Run this program as an administrator and Disable full screen optimizations. Another critical step is to ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Open the Device Manager from your Start menu, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver, choosing to search automatically. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, it's best to open the NVIDIA app, go to the Drivers tab, and check for any available updates there. One of these solutions should resolve any launching or crashing issues with Peak on your PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.